Listening section. Exercises. Unit 1. 92-year-old Olympics superfan gears up for Tokyo 2020.
Meet 92-year-old Olympics superfan Naotoshi Yamada. He's been to every Summer Games for the past 5.5 decades.
Mexico, Munich, Montreal, Los Angeles, Moscow. Japan didn't even participate in the Moscow Olympics, but I went to see that games. Seoul, Barcelona, Sydney, Athens, Beijing, London. I went to all the games from the beginning to closing ceremony.
His first Olympics was in Tokyo when Japan last hosted in 1964. And he hopes to live long enough to complete the circle and head back to the Japanese capital in 500 days' time.
It will be the culmination of all my years cheering the Olympics.
Known to his Japanese compatriots as the Olympics granddad, Yamada has become one of the most familiar and colourful figures at the Games. He's regularly followed by television cameras and cheered by other fans. But it wasn't just a desire to witness the Olympics that led him to attend his first Games. Yamada was inspired by a speech that Emperor Hirohito gave to his university.
Emperor Hirohito was standing in front of us. I was so moved. He said, "I hope Japan will be rebuilt by a young power like you." This was because Japan was lost after World War II. The emperor was like a god to us at that time. I remember that I wanted to do something. That's one of the reasons that I go to the Olympic Games.
Yamada has a vast collection of souvenirs he's acquired over the years, and his haul of flags, stamps, photographs and other items are on display at a gallery in his hometown of Nanto City in the west of Japan.
1. What is the speaker mainly discussing? A. A retired athlete. B. A list of events. C. A sport enthusiast. D. An Olympic medalist. Two. According to the report, who inspired Mr. Yamada? A. A royal figure. B. A war veteran. C. A university student. D. A foreign god.